Hi, buddy.
What's up, man?
Not too much. So, are you ready to do a little pedal up the new trail grinder?
Yep, let's get it.
All right, but y'all, first, check this out. Ooh-wee. Bet you that pedal's pretty good.
Pretty good.
All right, y'all, we're up here on Brush Mountain Fire Service Road. We are going to go hit Chasers and pedal up Grinder. So this is going to be the most pedaling you will ever see on this channel, ever again, probably. All right, let's go get us some. First, we take a little cruise across the Fire Service Road, Fire Service Road, Fire Service Road. Then we drop on to the Running Cedar to Chasers. Ooh, I pedal clicked right there. Because I was like in the middle of the pedal stroke with the left side down, and the dip coming out of that little mud hole right there got me good. And yes, y'all are gonna see this whole grinder trail on the pedal up. This is Running Cedar. And on to Chasers. You. Oh yeah, buddy. It's running so good right now. Tight grass, pretty sweet. Great flat corner here. Ooh, hard front banger. Whew, pardon me, boss. There will be one more in just a minute. You're good though. Oh yeah, so bueno. Into the rocks. Phew. Got close to that edge there. Brilliant. all the way up. Boom. There you go. That's Chasers proper. Sent. Oh yeah. Woo!
I hit that rock thing every time.
What a shred, dude. Oh, bro, that felt marvelous. I even got all the way to the top of that thing. So stoked. Great shred, man. Pale.
See that guy come climbing?
Oh yeah, I warned him. Gave him a heads up. Like the way that thing pops. Really does look good. Whew. All right, y'all. Coming up on the end of Chasers, the full trail. A bit of flat pedally stuff in between where the rock feature ends and this section. But now, y'all are gonna hear it. All the labored breathing as I pedal up this silly hill on Grinder. So as you get onto it, it's nice and pretty flat.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy. That's all it does. The trail builders and volunteers did a great job, you know, working with the lay of the land and being able to get elevation without the extreme workout of old road bed. And y'all can call me out as well if y'all ever see any more pedaling on any of my videos more than this right here. Call me out. But I just wanted to show y'all that there's a trail I can actually pedal up and even hit the feature. Whoop. A little awkward going uphill. Here comes this little old rock garden here. Nothing treacherous. Over this other little rock feature. Sorry, buddy. Kind of stalls you as you get at the top of it. Shorter component. Crank arms.
There you go.
Yeah. I could use a 165 for sure.
I feel like it's that extra 5mm. You know, I can make it up that rock feature without.
Right. Now, those are the only two rock features. From here, there's one more at the very top. Other than that, in the way of features, there's just this one little set of roller doubles that we'll be coming upon here shortly. Thank you, trail builders. I needed this trail in my life. Seriously, y'all. It's like the only trail at Panda Paws I can climb all the way.
It'd be nice if they had like North Shore features or whatever.
Oh yeah, some skinnies,
Yeah.
raised skinnies.
Yeah. Crazy ones I've seen on YouTube. I don't know where they really creative.
Oh, for sure. But when you've got communities that have roots of better than 5 decades, you tend to kind of get those abstract work pieces.
Yeah. I like to go to the
You know, though mountain biking's been a thing for numerous years around here, it's never been the thing. As you see up in like Vermont and what have you, or out in the Pac Northwest.
You ever think about going down to Bentonville?
Yeah, until I saw the drive.
Is it that drive?
Heck yeah. I ain't going that far. You're silly. I drive every day of the week. All right, I'll go if you drive.
Yeah. He was saying, you know, it was like the last time he went, so probably 6 months ago, 9 months ago.
Right.
And he was saying you could get a good Airbnb for maybe like $100, 120 bucks a night,
Yeah.
right there downtown.
Yeah, we'll have to plan that.
The Airbnb, you look for it for like for sale, and they want like $1 million for these.
Yep.
They're like 2 bedrooms. It's just because of the atmosphere there now.
Uh-huh. So here's roller double. This little thingy. Now it could be 2 sets of doubles. That first one right there doesn't quite have the lip for it. Plus coming out of this turn, so not the easiest to get back up to speed.
How your legs are doing?
My legs are dead. They're like, why are you doing this? Why? You did this yesterday. This is silly. I was like, shut up and go, little legs, go. Quit your whining. The wrist isn't even crying today.
I'm saying thunderstorms the rest of the week.
Really?
Yep. I think it's not going to hit probably till tomorrow evening.
Huh.
I thought it was going to hit earlier.
Yeah, I've got a property to show tomorrow, so that's what got me up late today. Had a property to show.
You selling the property?
Nah, neighbor's property who lives out of town. And so it's crazy how many people are biting on it. It's nuts. Like, I got appointments lined up for like the next week. All right, here's the last rock feature. Woo! And there you have it. If you didn't catch the other video where I did all 3 trails and showcased this one on the uphill, there's the uphill. Now, Brandon and I are going to continue on here at Running Cedar and zip it on to Horse Needle. And this section isn't the best of the downhill on Running Cedar because we're almost to the end of it. All the better downhill basically right where we came out at, going back towards the fire pit. That's where the really good goods are. This is pedal out time. You want to lead down the Nene Nettle?
I guess so.
Fire. Sup, Squirrely?
You're gonna get down there way before I will.
No way. I can chill. I know how to chill. Sometimes. What about 5:30? Lead the way, Cap. You got this.
You gonna go straight from here?
Yep, dropping straight in. You cooking it.
I was gonna, sir, but I thought you were coming around.
No, you're good. You can cook it in there though. Right after you, Captain.
I think you should go.
All right. Oh. Hiker ahead, buddy. Thanks, Chief. Have a good hike. Open it up. And into the final main D8 chute. Down to the bottom. Start grabbing gears. All of them, to be precise. dude. Epic finish.
I ate it up there. Right after that little, the little creek, that big root that's right there. You gotta try to get up.
Oh yeah, you got it good. Let's go check it out, peeps. All right.
Little pegs on my.
Oh yeah, he got the fork grinder. Got it good, y'all.
And then I couldn't get my phone back on. Like, man, I sit most of the time trying to get my phone back on.
Nice.
But the post didn't go down, so.
Hey, that's awesome. He was having an issue with it earlier on the ride where the post kept squishing down under load pedaling uphill, but he may have gotten it sorted.
Yeah.
We shall see in the future. Man, that was great though.
I'm glad I told you to go first.
No, I would have liked to have caught that on camera.
Yeah.
That would have been a great Friday fail. Well, there you have it, folks. Brandon and I are tooling down the Brush Mountain Fire Service Road in his fine old Toyota Moog pick-em-up truck. It's kind of like a semi-shuttle, so he brought his e-bike and pedaled up the hill, and I drove out the hill so we could ride down the hill. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it.
See you out there.
So, that's it. We'll see y'all later. Look forward to more adventures with this fella. I don't know. Might even go fishing. Who knows? That's my next adventure. Got a new fishing kayak. Time to go get some fishing on too. All right. Well, we're out of here. Go love thy neighbors. Bye.